Hi, welcome to this week's Munchie Monday. My name is Kathy Brown and I'm a Wellbeing Ambassador with Campus Recreation and Wellness. And on this week's Munchie Monday, we'll be making dark chocolate energy balls. And this week's ingredients are old-fashioned oats, flaxseed, chia seeds, honey, peanut butter, coconut oil, cocoa powder, and brown sugar. First, we're going to start with adding our oats to a large mixing bowl, and our flaxseed and our chia seeds. All these are different whole grains that help sustain our appetite and let us feel fuller longer. Next, we'll be adding some peanut butter and coconut oil. These two are really good sources of those good fats that you want to have in your diet. Then we'll be adding our honey, and it's a great source of vitamin and minerals and natural sugars. Next, we'll be adding our brown sugar. And lastly, we'll be adding our cocoa. Cocoa is a great source for lowering your blood pressure. It's full of inflammation-reducing agents and great for overall heart health. Next, we're going to mix this all in a bowl. Once your ingredients are combined, we're going to take it over to the fridge and let it chill and set for 10 minutes. And now we're going to press them into a tablespoon. And now they're ready to eat.